Angela.
And this is another video of 12 Days Snake City, where the 12 days leading up to Christmas, we do a video every single day. And today we are doing a candy cane taste test. Okay, we have the regular peppermint, we have cherry, watermelon, fruity, and stay till the end because we're gonna open this extreme sour candy cane. And this looks very intimidating. Don't worry, I am a professional taste tester, okay? I have a whole playlist of taste tests. Got chips, Skittles, more chips, Doritos, chocolate,
You're already familiar.
more candy, more chips.
I don't know how you don't have cavities.
Alright, the first one we're having is stupid. I'm taking it over with candy cane. I'm taking the entire box. I'm gonna load the box. Load the box?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, so the first one we're having is peppermint.
Looks like this.
Beauty girl.
I remember.
What?
No, it's so funny here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Tastes like candy cane.
Like a regular candy cane with
No, I actually like candy canes.
Colgate toothpaste.
You're really good at this.
Or any other toothpaste.
Hey,
I'm feeling more Crest than Colgate, but
all toothpaste tastes the same, don't they?
that's my point.
Next, we got cherry. I'm a lawyer after that. I don't think I've ever had a cherry.
The lines are thicker. Okay.
I've never had cherry.
No. I don't know what it tastes like.
I don't know too. Like I taste something, but I don't know what it is.
It's really good. But I'm getting cherry and something else.
Like another berry, but I don't know what type of berry.
Raspberry.
Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah. I'm getting raspberry. Like it tastes like a raspberry slush.
We should have a Food Network.
Yeah, it tastes like a raspberry slush.
The next one is watermelon.
It's green.
And you're right, they do look different because this one has like little trim right there. Like that's it's like watermelon, like red and green.
Very festive.
You guys already do this, right? It's to cover their face for the autofocus. So you that does nothing, you don't cover your face.
Mine broke, so I'm gonna have this piece of it.
Okay.
Cheers.
Oh, this is good.
It tastes like one of those watermelon
Yeah.
candies.
So I was thinking of blending out the word sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good. This is my favorite so far.
Don't discriminate against the fruity one.
We didn't try it yet. So far. So far. We have, what is this? This is broken?
No.
Okay. This is the only different brand. This is a different brand.
It kind of looks like cotton candy.
Yeah, it's fruity candy cane.
Okay. So
And funny enough, I almost got this confused because it was right next to frozen candy canes. Like else,
oh, okay.
not frozen candy canes, like
Yeah, it looks like how you freeze a candy cane.
oh, you put it in the freezer. Guess I
It
still
doesn't freeze. If candy's already hardened, it doesn't freeze.
Yeah, there's ice that goes over it. Icy. Does it freeze? That's a question. That's a good question.
Does it freeze?
Does hard candy freeze?
Maybe a video for another day. So it looks least festive of all.
It looks least festive, but very like clown, like circus look.
Like a rainbow.
Like a rainbow, but not a rainbow. I don't want to see rainbow.
I want to say rainbow. Alright, let's go. It's like cotton candy ice cream, like the mixture one.
I'm trying to. Oh, I taste it. Yeah,
Right?
I like it. I kind of like it.
The fruity ones are definitely sweet.
Yeah, so the watermelon better. So now we're gonna go with our most favorite. Is that even a word?
Yeah.
Yeah, our most favorite and our least
favorite and our most favorite.
That's a word, most. It doesn't sound right.
I guess, because it's the favorite. And
Our-
it's
How's it?
our favorite, and then
Yeah, our favorite or at least there.
I mean, okay,
The
we'll
one we like the most and the one we like the least. Let's go with that.
okay.
You go first. Which one do you like the most?
As far as candy canes go, I'm a traditional. I like the peppermint one the most.
Really?
But the second place is definitely the watermelon. But I have to say, if I'm having the candy cane, it has to be peppermint.
Look, I enjoy peppermint. I'm like the reverse of you. Cause like peppermint's a close second, but I have to go with watermelon.
Yeah.
Watermelon, cause like one of my favorite candies. If I were to go buy candy, it's the watermelon candy. So have this. It's so good.
It
It's
is.
like
It
so
is.
good.
The flavors
But-
do stand out more than you think. But my least has to be the rainbow one. I mean, it's good, but it's too sweet for me. And it's not festive enough. I mean, I wouldn't buy this to decorate my tree or to have this on Christmas.
I also choose the fruity one because it just tastes like the watermelon one, but with like more sugar. That's really what it is.
Yeah.
It's the watermelon one with more sugar. And like you said, at least this one, yeah, it looks festive at least. Now this,
So now,
what is it? And
so now we have a special surprise, a sour candy cane.
extreme sour candy cane.
And let's see if this one blows all the other contenders out.
Oh, it's definitely not. Like you saw it in my Skittles taste with the cat sour. I can't.
But you saw that I like sour.
I smell it. It's like it doesn't seem to be sour. She already tried it and she doesn't seem appalled. So I thought it was gonna be like extreme sour. This trash is broken. Look at this.
It has a subtle hint of sour, but I like this one the most. I take it back. This beats the peppermint.
The sourness you're gonna taste like the sugar around the watermelon candy.
Yeah. But very good.
Yeah, you know what? It's slightly sour.
But I don't think I would be able to eat a whole candy cane of this.
It's huge.
Feeling sick.
Yeah.
But
What do you mean? What would be like a piece of this? Just want to say though, false advertising. It's not extremely sour. Don't
for
get
candy cane it is. I have to say if I'd rather eat this flavor of candy cane than
Oh, the inside is sour. Did you lick that? It's a lot more sour. Yeah, it is.
so as you move past the candy, then you get the sour.
Yeah. Like put your tongue stuff up. So careful. A lot more sour. Anyway guys, give this video a like if you enjoyed it and are enjoying the 12 Days of Snake City so far. Oh good, oh just do it again, do it again.
Like and subscribe.
Also, share it to everyone you know, friends, family, neighbors, uncles, dogs, cats. What?
I was gonna say comment down below.
No, share this with everyone you know, even if it's some random guy you met at the gas station, you know?
Don't share this with some random guy at the gas station. You'll be like, why do you want me to watch a video about candy canes?
Maybe you'll get a laugh out of it.
Maybe.
I always say this. Share with everyone you know. Maybe even if you barely know them, they'll watch it, they'll get inspired, they'll make a channel, they'll become millionaires, and they'll give us money. That's what I say.
Who's to say they'll give us money?
Because they'll
Dream big, people. Dream big.
dream big, think little. Anyways, guys, I'm Snake,
And I'm Angela.
and we'll see you in the next one. Merry